Hello everybody, this is Mandeep from Visa Web Study Services. Today in this video we are going to do our read aloud. If you do not know what read aloud is, you can check out my video here. Okay, if you're struggling to raise your scores in read alouds, you can practice with me and definitely your scores will raise from 50 to 90. So first of all, we have to position the mic. That I have already done it. Your mic must not be on your nose, must not be on your chin, and must not touch your lips as well. Your mic must be here and must be two finger away from your face. Also, don't forget to adjust on your head. Okay, so I'm ready. So we'll go with the first question. So here is my practice time. I have 35 seconds, so I can practice as much as I want. So researchers have found a way to convert the aromatic substance vanillin into vanillin. Okay, you can either skip this word or take it into your fluency into a redox activate electrolyte material for liquid batteries and technology is important step toward ecological substance energy storage. Okay, so let's start. Researchers have found a way to convert the aromatic substance vanillin into a redox active electrolyte material for liquid batteries. The technology is an important step towards ecologically sustainable energy storage. So, practice of next using an X-ray laser. A research team has investigated how water heats up under extreme conditions. In this process, the scientists were able to observe water that remained liquid even at temperatures of more than 170 degrees Celsius. The investigation revealed an anomalous dynamic behavior. Anomalous. Okay, let's start. Using an X-ray laser, a research team has investigated how water heats up under extreme conditions. In the process, the scientists were able to observe water that remained liquid even at temperatures of more than 170 degrees Celsius. The investigation revealed an dynamic behavior of water, which is of fundamental importance for the analysis of sensitive samples using X-ray lasers. One, the power of the sun, wind, and sea may soon combine to produce clean burning hydrogen fuel, according to researchers. A team integrated water purification technology into a new proof of concept. So, proof of concept is a word that can break your fluency. Designed for seawater electrolyzer, electro, which uses an electric current to split apart the hydrogen and oxygen in water molecule. Okay, one, two, three, start. Okay. The power of the sun, wind, and sea may soon combine to produce clean burning hydrogen fuel, according to researchers. A team integrated water purification technology into a new proof of concept designed for a seawater electrolyzer, which uses an electric current to split apart the hydrogen and oxygen in water molecules. Millions years ago, before the origin of life, the process, which is similar to what might have occurred in some ancient underwater hydrothermal vents, may also have relevance to the research for a life elsewhere in the universe. Okay, let's start. New research identifies a process that might have been key in producing the first organic molecules on Earth about 4 billion years ago, before the origin of life. The process, which is similar to what might have occurred in some ancient underwater hydrothermal vents, may also have relevance to the search for life elsewhere in the universe. Okay, so here's my preparation time. I have 35 seconds. I can prepare it thoroughly. The evidence for the harmful effects of alcohol on brain health is compelling, but new experts have been pointed three key time periods in life when effects of alcohol are likely to be at greatest. Okay, let's start. The evidence for the harmful effects of alcohol on brain health is compelling, but now experts have pinpointed three key time periods in life when the effects of alcohol are likely to be at their greatest. Just focus on your fluency as well as on your words. Now it's your turn to continue doing the rest. So you will definitely see the transformation. You will get go from 50 to 90. So it's very easy to get 90 in your speaking. Thank you.